y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you guys are new here. I've had these knotless boho braids in now for about 3 weeks, and this is actually in a long time the longest I've ever kept in braids, so I'm pretty proud of myself. It's coming to that time for me to take them out. I got a lot of wig tutorials that I gotta do for you guys, so they gotta come out like yesterday. So before then, I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys a few styles that I've been wearing while I've had these braids in, or even a few styles that I've seen that I've wanted to do but didn't yet have a chance to. So if you guys are interested, keep watching. This first one has really been one of my #1 go-tos. Really simple. You either can or don't have to use a ponytail holder with this one. It all depends on how you feel about it being secure or not. Whatever side is your side, start off by pulling the hair to the side. And I'm just going to take a few braids from the front, from this side, and a few braids from the front from this side. We're definitely leaving the curls out. We're leaving the curls out, so. Gives that very cute, messy boho look. This was perfect for the islands. I went on vacation, and this was pretty much the hairstyle that I wore every day. I started looking at my pictures like, yo, I gotta change it up. Out of the way, cute hairstyle. Second one is kind of similar to the first one, but we're going to do a middle part. It just ain't the same on the phone, but everybody's gotta go, don't they? Yes, we do. We're gonna take the front sections, a little bit of hair from the front, maybe like 3 or 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's gonna get tied back. Be sure to pull out your little pieces. I'll even pull some out from the top braids. Okay, and this is gonna get tied the same exact way that the other one did in the back. It's very much giving island babe. Like, I love it, love it, love it. This is number 2. While we got it in the middle, I'm gonna do the half up, half down with the 2 little buns. I have not done this yet, but I've been seeing it and it's cute. Let's see if I can pull it off. Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground in the dark, now you call me to my yard on the path. When you see me on the edge, coming on. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the buns, but on to the next. Okay, Okay, the next one is going to be our traditional half up, half down, of course.
Yeah, babe. Can you put the time on a rewind? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as your rebel comes out. Then you call on me when you call me, I'm gone. Then you go again with your deaf ears. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now you want.
Alright, and the fifth one. This is so much hair, I don't even know if I can get this into a bun. I've been wanting to do like a low bun with the pieces out and just, you know, edges laid and just all nice and cute. Look, we're gonna see. Let's see.
Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah, yeah. I had done all the limits, going way beyond the noise in the feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm kidding. Crying out from the side, now come on in. Fall down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, I will wait for you. 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 I will wait for you.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the guys out, I'm a mind that's you the talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble, she manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that get both, like the Baba Frayo,
That is all that I got for y'all today. There was so many more styles that I wanted to do for y'all, but one, I cannot find my claw clip. I had two and I made sure I brought two just for this video, and now of course I can't find them. Let me know if you guys like these styles. Let me know if you end up trying any of them, or even if you got some styles to put me on. Get at me in these comments. And once again, the full tutorial to these actual knotless braids did just go live, and I will be tagging that down below for any of you guys that want to go ahead and check that out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me know down in the comment section which of these styles were your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.